This video is an overview of how to replace the rear upper control arm on a 1997 to 2003 BMW 5 Series. Remember to work safe and work smart. Work in a well-ventilated area and protect yourself from injury at all times. Before beginning, consult your owner's manual or the appropriate repair manual for your vehicle. The rear upper control arm is secured to the vehicle in two locations. We're going to start by removing the nut and bolt that secure the bushing to the rear subframe. Hold the nut with a wrench while loosening the bolt with a ratchet. Once loose, remove the bolt from the bushing. Before removing the ball joint mounting nut, clean the ball joint stud threads using a small wire brush. Next, we're going to remove the mounting nut for the ball joint. To remove the ball joint mounting nut, brace the ball joint stud with a pair of vice grips or an open-end wrench. Then, use another open-end wrench to loosen the ball joint mounting nut. Once the ball joint mounting nut is removed, remove the control arm from the vehicle. Install the new control arm, properly torque all the fasteners, and have the vehicle professionally aligned. Feedback or questions? Visit our online tech forums or our online technical library at bentleypublishers.com.